Hello everybody. I was in the middle of a recording earlier and it stopped, so I had to start from here. So I got all the Orbeez in. Oh, that feels good. Oh, that's really good. Oh, that feels really good. Did a touch and so I'm still looking at the directions. Oh, I got. That's why I thought something was missing. Something was. No. It's alright. I'm fine, people. Don't worry. I'm fine. If I can just get this cardboard off, that would be great. Oh, you can just take it off, I presume? Alright, so let's see. I think it goes like this. Yes, it does go like that. And I remembered there's something. Installation. Oh, gosh darn it. I will be right